Class, welcome back. This is your EVS class. Today we are going to learn and discuss about one interesting topic. It's really related with us. Okay. Before that, I ask some questions to you. Okay. Our home. Our father did hard work. Why? Because he want to earn money. That's why our fathers did always doing hard work. Why we want money? Yes, we want to live sophisticated life. Okay, then the most of the money spends for our, yes, studies. So we want to study well. We compare with parents. The parents, why the parents are save more money means because of their child futures only. Okay, that's why our family, mothers and daddy also doing very hard work. Okay, but do you know one special woman? Yes, her name is what? Yes, Mother Teresa. Do you know about Mother Teresa? Yes, she was a very calm and very soft and charming person. Okay, one day the Mother Teresa went to one shop. That time, who she means she adopted more childrens. Which are the childrens don't get parents means that kind of childrens adopted by Mother Teresa. Okay, one day the Mother Teresa went to one shop. Then she asked to the uh, shop owner, please give something for this children's study, children's food. Like that the Mother Teresa asked to the shop owner. Suddenly the shop owner uh, spit the saliva on her hand. That time, if somebody's spit our hand means definitely we get more angry. But Mother Teresa softly replied to the shop owner, okay, I will accept this. This is for me. Okay, this saliva for me. Please give something for the children's. Like that the Mother Teresa again asked to the shop owner. The shop owner was very shocked. Oh my god, how the women's behave like this? Because I cheat her more. But she replied very politely. So the shop owner give the whole money, then whole authorities, the and he give the shop documents also to her hand. So she is a very kindly and charming person. Okay, that's why we our world, our whole world called Mother Annai. Okay, Mother Teresa, like that. Okay, let us come to our lesson, chapter 9, changing families. Okay, my question is, what is mean by family? Family means, yes, the group of the peoples uh, living with one places. Okay, they are connected with one places, that is called family. Okay, uh, do you know how many types of family? Yes, we know very well about two types of family. One is joint family, the another one is nuclear family. Okay, what is mean by joint family? Joint family means group of relationship. Okay, for example, we know very well about that. I don't want to explain this. Yes, I am correct. Yes, joint family and nuclear family. Okay, the next one, for example, if you are a family. Okay, this also already happened in your life. Okay, you are studying fourth grade. Definitely you already get one baby siblings. Yes, brother or sister. It's depends you. Okay, then that time, how you feel? Yes, you are feel very happy because some new person is arrival to our home. That time our all family members are being very happy. Then how they are always spend the whole time with the small babies. I'm correct or not? Yes. Okay. Then if you have one sister, okay, see this picture. This is what which kind of family is this? Yes, this is a joint family. Okay, my question is, which family is better, a joint family or nuclear family? Can you say which family? Yes, joint family and nuclear family also has some advantages and disadvantages also. But do you think those days the peoples are living together with love and affections? Then if they if somebody's get some problem means the whole persons also come together and they face the problems and they handle the problems easily. But nowadays we escape from the problems. I'm correct or not? Yes. Those days the all family members splitted their works. For example, somebody's want to cooking, somebody's want to washing the clothes, like that. The each and every duty is separate from each and every person's. But nowadays the every duty is depends the mission's hand only. For example, those days our mummy carries the ask to your grandparents. Your grandparents only take care of their child. Then they only making the food for their themselves. Then they only did everything. Okay. Then they splitted their works for the neighbors. But nowadays the all work is done by machine. If we want to wash the clothes, we simply use washing machine. If we want to grind any paste means we have to use mixer and grinders. Then everything should be changed. Okay. Then the family, why nowadays we can't see the joint family means there is lots of rules and regulations. Okay. If for example nowadays upcoming days we are going to celebrate one festival. Which festival? Yes, very good, Diwali. If we want to purchase 10,000 rupees means in nuclear family it doesn't matter. We should buy. Okay, we should buy whatever we wish, our wish. But a joint family we don't take the decision. Okay, our grandparents, our elder parents only take the decision. We in joint family there are 40 or 10 members or 20 members, it doesn't matter. The elder person what they said, the other persons must be hear the eldest voice. That's why it's not suitable for the all families, because the each and everyone needs the what freedom. Okay, that's why nowadays we can't see the joint family. Then the another reason the if we are nowadays we are studied very well, we are get a great job. That's why they want to split their family for the workstations. Okay, wherever, for example, if our fathers did the work in Chennai means we, it is the rules. Okay, it is we must split our family, we must change our family in Chennai. So this kind of problems also we couldn't see the joint families till now. Okay, the next one is see, yeah, just now I told that if any new baby is come to our family means we get more excitement. Yes, the small baby, do you ever touch the small baby's face? Yes, it is too soft. Then if whenever we see the small babies, that time we feel very happy. Yes. Then definitely you are get small baby, it's brother or sister. Okay, how you feel in your book, page number page number 68, you have to write your siblings. Okay, about your siblings. Okay, the next one is, if your father unfortunately get great job in other district, other state, means definitely we also change, we also go with our father. I'm correct or not? Then which are the things you miss? For example, if you are staying in one home, if we suddenly you want to go another district, means how you feel? Do you feel happy? Yes, sometimes we feel happy because we go to new home, we can see new places, like that. But some of the time we feel, I miss my friends, I miss my school, I miss my neighborhood places, like that we will miss. Okay. uh, the changing family is depends upon our mindset only. Somebody's happy, somebody's do not live in happy. Okay, the next one is, uh, if your family somebody's get married, means how do you feel in your family members? For example, your aunt or your uncle get married, means our home like a very big festivals. Those days they are celebrate marriage before 30 days, but nowadays we enjoy 2 days only. Yes, nowadays we enjoy 2 days. Hereafter we will enjoy only 1 day or 1 hour only we spend for the marriage. But nowadays we spend 2 days before marriage day, then marriage day. It is, we celebrate more. Okay, then what do you, can you say, why the bride only go to the another home? Yes, if your auntie get married, means definitely your auntie go to another home. Why? Yes, our Indian culture, the bride only go to the another home. Is when the baby was born, that time she lived in one places only. Your mummy also asked to your mummy birthplace is very different. Okay, your birth place, the village is different. But nowadays your mummy whole day she spent her life in her husband home only. Okay, how she was felt? Yes, there is no one person is there, because our mummy daddy also presented in one place. We also go another home, another person, we want to eat in front of the another person, like that your mummy get very afraid. Then she felt uncomfortable also, because she want to leave the another home. Okay, it's not a easiest one for all women's. Okay, you have to ask your mummy how she was trouble to mingle the mother-in-law home, like that. Okay, it is the major problem. In this lesson we have to learn about changing families. What are the reasons the families was changing? The first one is the new baby, the newcomers arrive in our home. That time our family gets small changes. The another one is transfer. If our parents get job, means we transfer our body, then we miss everything. We miss our neighborhood places, we miss our friends, we miss our schools, like that we miss. So changing families is sometimes it's good, then sometimes it's give bad memories. Okay, then do you know about nowadays, the boy, yes, the girl reached completed 18 years, means 1 year back the boy is the girl is reached 18 years, means she ready to get married. Okay, this is the approval age. But those days when the babies was very small, like that your ages, when the children are studied 4th grade, 5th grade, 6th grade, that time they get married. They don't want to study, they don't want to go outside also. So the total life is collapsed. Okay, why we oftenly say why we want to study? Why we want to study means we have to stand in our own hand, own leg. Okay, ma'am. Nowadays also we stand, then we walk our using own leg like that. You have to think. No, if we want to buy something, if for example I want to buy a new cloth. Okay, new clothes means if I go to the job, I get salary. Okay, I don't want to inform others. Then I don't want to begging. I don't want to beg from my parents. Mummy, please. I like to take one new dress. Please give me 500 for. Please give 500 for me. Like that. I don't want to beg others because I have a job. I have a job. I studied well. That's why. Which are the things I need? I easily collect. I easily bought. Okay, if somebody is do not get studied means do not get job means they must be depends others. For example, parents, brothers and sisters and husbands, wife, mother-in-law, daughter-in-law, like that relationship we want to depend. If we want to study means we don't want to depend others. That's why we are studying now. But those days peoples they don't realize this kind of consider it. That's why they are ready to the childhood marriage. But nowadays in this month we our government make a one new rule. What means when the girl child get 21 years, that time only she able to get married. Okay, and this is the very good system also, because the girl child don't know about the futures, they easily spoil her future. So this is the great rule. What is our job means now your age you want to study very well. This is the great job. The elders make the clear path to you. Okay, so you want to study more, then achieve more. Okay, dears, this is end of your lesson. Okay, dears, this is your project work. What means you have to ask your grandparents how many siblings they have, then which kind of home they live. Okay, then you have to ask your parents. First, you should ask your grandparents, then you should ask with your parents how many siblings they have, then which kind of home, which kind of facilities they live. Okay, then you should write how many siblings you have, which kind of home, which kind of facilities you have. Okay, this is your project work. Thank you. If you have any doubt in this session, you have to keep it in your mind. In today afternoon we will meet again. Okay, that time we clear that. Okay, thank you.